Guys, just take a look at this. See how shit it is. You know, when it's come to data with lots of data. Let's say this one is 6,071 data. Multiplied by 3, so it's like 18,000 data. 18,000 count of data. And then it just frozen like this. And don't you dare tell me that, hey, because the Microsoft Excel is shit. Okay, do tell me that is there any spreadsheet in the world that you're using apart from Excel for regular Joe like me? And most people, I dare say, they're people regular. We are just average Joe. Yep. So I just want to take a look at my data, which is temperature of my room. Um, I'm living in UK and it's fucking cold, and the letting agent is very sneaky. He definitely used something to deactivate the heating system, which I doing a bit of searching in Google is like, is this possible? So it's like you have this kind of Tado degree smart thermostat control, and just take a look a little bit. Like, can you do it? Yes, you can use your phone to control the heating, and you know, it's long story, but let's say it's like make it short. So I do the data locking for 4 days, and look at this. This is one day, second day. So this is gonna be 6 o'clock, and this should be around midnight. So you see that the heating is like going up, but I need to add another column here, which gonna be, I don't know. It's, yeah. Now it's kind of not very responsive. I want to, yes. This is what I want to show you guys. That how Mac OS is shit when it's come to this kind of data. It's gonna take a lot of patience dealing with this shit, but I tell you, it's not everything. I mean, something that like you see every day, you're gonna piss off, and that's not great, right? Not the best way to start the day. And yeah, Apple fanboys gonna like, oh, because you don't get it right, you don't know how to use it, and you know blah, 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 because of whatever. You guys just fanboy, and you just couldn't admit it that your beloved Apple is shit when it's come to this kind of thing, But anything else, I mean, video editing, great. Audio, shit like that, studio, great. Movies, great. But when it's come to simple thing like Microsoft Office, which most people are gonna use it, university student, university worker like me, people, average Joe, average Jen, John Doe, Jen Doe, we gonna use this. And if it sucks, it sucks. And don't try to defense it. It's not, not worthy. Not at all. And yeah, just to let you know this shit that all. And I just want to let you know that my letting agent actually quite sneaky. But I need to prove it later. And it's gonna take a lot of work in order to prove that. But I will take some time to do that. And as always, thanks for watching.